वाम मोर्चा ने 4 विधानसभा उपचुनावों में उम्मीदवारों की सूची की घोषणा की। सोमवार को अगरतला में माकपा के पार्टी कार्यालय में प्रेस वार्ता की गई। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में माकपा के राज्य सचिव जितेंद्र चौधरी, वाम मोर्चा के संयोजक नारायण कर और अन्य मौजूद थे। इस दिन संवाददाता सम्मेलन में वाम मोर्चा के संयोजक ने उपचुनाव के लिए 4 उम्मीदवारों के नामों की घोषणा की। इनमें 6 अगरतला विधानसभा क्षेत्र से कृष्णा मजुमदार, 8 बरदवाली निर्वाचन क्षेत्र से फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक उम्मीदवार रघुनाथ सरकार, 46 सुरमा विधानसभा क्षेत्र से अंजन दास, 56 विधानसभा क्षेत्र से उम्मीदवार शैलेंद्र चंद्रनाथ। नारायण कर ने आज के दिन मीडिया को ये बात कही थी कि लोग उपचुनाव में वोट कर सकते हैं, इसलिए उन्होंने इलेक्शन कमीशन से आह्वान की।
This is the beauty of the democracy. So our observation is, yes, political parties, they have right to go to the people. Let people choose their right candidate. So this is our observation. More party participation, more casting. That is the beauty of the democracy. And that was there in Tripura while left front was ruling here. We have to restore that. This is our pledge to the people of this state, and definitely it must be happen now. In of June, we are going to organize a Rajdoban Abhijan. There, of course, not only the demand for election of the village committee, there not only the people of Tripura, the people of entire northeastern region, not the people of the ADC areas alone, the Tripura people as a whole, we demand that the ADC's power, its eligibility to get fund from the different ministry of the government of India, it should be enhanced. And unless this 6th schedule provision of our constitution is not amended, it is not possible. So 11th we are going to the government house to press the demand.
But there are also demand for direct funding in the ADC. Do you support them?
That is different issue. You see, if once it is earmarked, it is no use of direct indirect. It will come to the ADC only. It was never happened that due to not having that particular word, ADC was deprived. ADC is deprived if the ruling party, politically they are not inclined to the ADC. So that thing, what is happening today? Nothing happening. There are so many provisions that is there in the 6th schedule. However, this BJP government, they are abiding by? No. So what is meaning of the direct or indirect? It is just to divert the people's attention. It is nothing. But we want that constitutional provision. If once that is there, the state government or central government, they must adhere to that. Its tenure also expired almost now 1 year. But this government is totally silent. So what it proves? That BJP actually that does not have any respect to the democracy. They don't recognize the constitutional or democratic right of the people. So this is the thing happening in Tripura. What we every time we say that Tripura BJP, they are utilizing the Tripura as a laboratory. How they are so-called, their dream of the Hindu Rashtra that can be implemented. So Tripura, by disseminating the constitution order, by disseminating the democratic right, everything, and also snatching away the right of the media and other all constitutional pillars, they are trying to kill the Hindu Rashtra. This is the Tripura they are doing. So this we can like to say that there is no, that is for say law and order or constitutional order is prevailing in the state of Tripura.
you also demand the election.
Yes, of course. Why not?
For your information, please, not other political party, Upjati Ganamukti Parishad, GMP is the first organization who demanded the ADC village committee election. First party.
And for your information on